Welcome to Ramjet Bros. Today we're going to teach you how to make some amazing donuts. For the ingredients, you will need 1 cup of self-rising flour, half a cup of sour milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. What we're going to do, we'll put our dry ingredients together, then our wet ingredients, then mix them together until we get a nice soft dough. Now that we got our dough ready, we're going to put it on a flour surface and roll it out to about a 4mm thickness and cut out our donut shapes. And then we can fry it. Now that our donuts are cut, we're going to put it on a medium-high heat to fry until golden brown. And there you have it, some awesome donuts, however you like it. You can either have it with some jam in it, you can have it glazed, have some chocolate on it, sprinkles, cinnamon sugar. It's amazing.